Hi, Dr. Babu. Uh, Usually, you are doing a lot of IQ tests for the children. From which age you start, and what are the objectives of? What you want to achieve with the children? Can you tell something about it?
Yes, that's a good question you have asked. IQ test is important for the children who face academic difficulties and the behavior problem and the behavior is deviant. So we can look for the IQ test. IQ test can be done at the age of 6 plus. From 6 years to elders, we can do the IQ test. It's based on the problem. The students are not understanding properly and the behavior is not appropriate and they forget easily. If this kind of problem they face, definitely they can go and check their IQ. The IQ will reveal why they are doing like this. That's a psychological assessment.
So, who will tell you that this child is having problem? Teachers or parents?
Oh, the parents, those who are living with them, and they can also understand. If you are getting keep complaining from the schools, and also you can look for.
Hmm.
Otherwise, if you also living with a child with facing difficulty where you cannot convince your child to do or giving a concept to learn, if they find any difficulties, if they are not understanding or they are not realizing their behavior problem, definitely they can consult a psychologist to get rid of it. Why the reason you can find out from the psychologist.
I'm asking not a specific question, a general question. Usually, what is the IQ level
Okay.
for a normal child?
Okay, an international classification of IQ says the score between 90 to 109 is called normal child. Those who get score 90 and above, they can easily understand, grasping, planning, execution part will be fine for 90 and above. So if you want to successful in life and academically and in life also, the score should be 90 and above. If the person gets score below 70 to 89, we call it as borderline intelligence or slow learner. These IQ students or people who got this score, they behave very slowly, understanding also very slow. They keep forgetting the things. Even though even they forget, if you keep on insisting two, three, four times, they will get memorized. So they are very slow in understanding and the execution part. If the score goes very low, like 70 and below, they call it as mentally retarded. Nowadays, the term changed to intellectual disability. Those who
What can you repeat that? Yani, up to what level?
70 and below,
Hmm.
they call it as intellectual disability.
Okay.
That intellectual disability student facing difficult to understand the concepts like time, color, form, shape, money. These concepts are very difficult to understand. Even in rules game, like chess or carom board, any game if you take, there is a rules for that. Difficult to understand the rules. They play according to rules. It is very difficult. 70 and below, it's a concept where difficult to understand the concepts. So they will be dependent child. Whatever we give training, they will able to perform.
Mhm. Okay, in that case, the low intellectual people, I mean, when they grow up,